Hello and welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your MetaMask wallet with your Pancake Swap. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search pancakeswap.finance. Then it will take you to the official website of Pancake Swap. Once the page has been loaded up completely, you can see Connect Wallet option from the top right corner. Click on Connect Wallet, then this type of interface will pop up in your screen. From Connect Wallet section, you can see all the wallet that you can connect to Pancake Swap. In the first, you can see MetaMask. Click on MetaMask. Then, once you have installed your MetaMask in your mobile and connected your account, you can scan this QR and connect your MetaMask with Pancake Swap. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.